Mamma Aquaba and Faumbra GCN page so meeting at the Adjoa Sechi. Mr. Subscribe to my channel, found some your bell on so will be a notification and some echoes will may be a BT and as a Benny Biashe a GCN page here. Ora Divine Otu Ono and our Greater Accra Regional Chairman Dema NPP Amayukuno. Now Ora Otu and our Okase Nanisama okay Nanise. His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Kufuado SCP pay a catcher NPP phone pen for the set. The ministers now appoint Omonio Moya Jumano and Yadia Minister Obiano Beman position because we are say, dear what bread and a ordinary your comdino. And intino a year 2020 about year 2 years. Wow, shall we MP? Now, constituency one more day will be I to say 1 year shade. And our way, and I say, we and Yadia, Obama position. Because 4 years now, we're trying. Into the 4 years, Yaka than any made it. And Yadia, the Bediago crying to Ra or to HSA or catch a MPP from Penfuno, say Yadia, Obihubia, and now Obama position. Into Yabesha, a greater Accra say, Omo enya position, Omo Yahin, Omo ya 3, a honorable Oslowusu, honorable Adrasafo, and Nabako Omo ya 3, a fair central Ashanti region, and Nabuja, and Tino Ura to HS, His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Kufuado, Epemu, Ekacha was on the Onsroche. On fat if who so and men Kasai intino, baby, and a parent than a one or the better, one more than and Yadia or Bema position, Bianeno and our Ura to HSA. And another Casano, Omo Pane Chelsea, Omo ye, Nipapa, Intinis Assembly background for an into now on share, send a beya 4 years here, Ake the enemy, NPP4, Omo bomb modern. Now where to me aye Jumason ko cry de aboa on my Ghana entino ura utu HS and another one fan no currency prade e chana kumina we pay e catch MPP for next on the and you be who be an overman position because 2020 about to know course no hey anko ye Ukraine ma an sheda an bibia yesa e ye troka entino en same way and na ura utu e de atugane yeti en sema ura utu e de etuja
anyhow to consolidate our hold on power and then get into 2024. So I think that was a nutina call aprobono and it was a good thing.
I see.
Yeah, it was a good thing.
I'm for charger now. See, yeah, the near mama we buy one check.
Yes, and the way there I any bread here back and a bemusu. Now whatever the reasons are, he say national officers no be ma achichiremu and explanations via bema omo amunyanti as no beti as no omo ye ne kama esan charge constituency leaders no say omo tumi abesro omo de omo akasai omo si fem enko polling stations no na omo ni polling station executives no ko ye the same meetings na be ya obi a be feel say okay there atwem no ye manu twem na ye reorganize ye ho na ye enko ye nim. And so I think it's a good thing.
So going forward now President appointments, Greater Accra, are you also having a stake as to how the appointments will favor the capital region? And how are you also playing your cards out? I was on your main.
Yo, me that say. What usually happens? Say I didn't know you could say so abegu.
Ehinanum.
Yeah. Na they no go say opeso can crepa dia. And yeah, we contribution would buy and whenever determine the His Excellency the President also one fancy crowd can plane. Now I didn't say you know go brembra na oh dear. It's yeah can usha Ashanti region. I party no stronghold no. Dudona echo ho emomo. Yensu dear. Yenya kakra my friend kakra because I can me past president Nicho say on share the number of constituencies and yet the number of seats are winning because you might be say you papa a chawan a bequa copano say you who say nima be break or swa and your fault. That's why you are the leader of the party. Whatever it is, you take responsibility. But so far, cabinet Mami Ayoko Butwe, foreign minister, and Adwasafo yeah the gender ni
social protection
any man and avenzu Ablekuma West Esla the digitization woman say ejuma power ye no onko chaso enti se see ade be fa no sa
but say deputies nyama
deputies ye wo bebre wo ho a ye feel say omo okun a eye okudin na SSA to me a boom talk about ebinum to say your new MPR or your new and he ushepa they want to me can say oh he's very very deserving say na yamanobi I'm talking about the MP for Amasama but strategically no send a sabi because a whole shed and ye stronghold the yenya bibi sa wo ho a ebe boaye
boost
president so the station see or tatie pa it is all happy at this time the yeah panicho say on show ho maye also an next door neighbor yeah trouble MP no honorable Moses Enim onso adwuma no wabobi pa na ni nyina talk about Okankwe Central. I mean, we can talk about all of them, but the woman is say no krenya nim ye wo hey Greater Accra omo ye aho no mo a sabi omo abetu dodo na already omo to aba no ma ye ndada aye MPP ye do mo ase ye pa na afie ni fie sabi na zen ya kansa ya se gama chikon gama no ne no krenya be ni no de ye no kre eti ubetumi aka say omo wo the traditionally Ga dominated areas or coastal no omo ta to aba no ma ye papa na so kakra say ubechi akoko a wodi ebro kakra begu fam na wadi ebro nachi na usaka no enti anka ye ma eyi na ye pacho say ye mami ti say Tina Mensa no mu ni Sylvester Tete no mu ni yi omo a omo typical Ga dominated you know ye to me show when you
Baniwie na se wo lusu na ugidi tum se wa lusu na ugi tum na yasumdwe a kanu se dache bi no opportunity betimi asan ba ma opeti no enye ntokwa so ene Supreme Court ne da ho tie nsam ekoso ne de we nsam si edai ekeka nkese ani fa say anya very careful 2024 Ghana a rough 2024 Omana ntokwasiso Liberia, Sierra Leone, Angola, Burundi no. Sa omai mani nyina no so no. Liberia, Sierra Leone, Angola, Kenya, a African country. South Africa classic pinta credit order. Ghana, se ntokwasi ahefa ne yeko Togo ana. Ne yeko. Togo ayo man kitwa bi. Enti wo so be ma politics ya didi wadwenem na sebe wakan kwase akasa e de ntotoye ne ntokwa beba koso jim because of politics enti sebe ya nwene si ya nuanie ye twa ye nke me say I'll be so glad say ya about to do so ne ye campaign ne e be me ye message e be ye attractive Cha se NDC empanifo ni bi anum kasa a e bon kan during campaign time ani abotrima kansem ani e sada to nipa momo ye nkwase campaign se sade ani firi ho no mo a my goodness kan ni se betima hadwen pa o ko one ade ba ko wa NDC won say omuni members and before who say oh it's a done deal. And they don't care. They don't care. Or members no can Japan Canada bia. It is an NDC for FAC fact. Na omanu nsem aya kono enye propaganda ye kan somewhere ye no kre ye gi enfum so atum ye convince nipa yie hey come omonya konwa na nka mi donyame ohata soro ka bi before be je na nka che but all the time eniema emfa so ma na campaign obi ye campaign now head message ya what ye campaign ma JM. Oh God of Israel, why yanche nyema bi yo ni enhwe wokwan ya befa so Ghana betimi agina yi ye kan okra dia che political parties no party a ene me no kasai say ya nya very careful ni an check ye nyema bi ya ye ni mra ye ho so no na Ghana si mitrase ya koto abawie obi anu se na ado danko akufu ado wa wini election NDC said dabi election nte sa ya wia wom anom ya so meko court enom ko court na ye cheche nsem no wo hwe de we ase edu nketia ye totona no ene na no yiye ene be ne bo wadwenem edi aben ane ba wadwenem Ghana ye no me edu nyina de wo na say ya nya very careful ye be experience niema Liberia for experience bi da Kenya, Angola, Sierra Leone, you bet my experience. A free education, a cut across the nation. James to me fighting at 47. Until they said, "Oh, my imagine say, Omu, she said, ya bekan no cratra Ghana for ya lusu, ya diatmusi, ya lusu, near chubby bias, near hate grounds, ya campaign." Ye pekwa ya befa so 2024 ye betima win election no court ya nyintum si ya lusu no mo sha se so mo convince hate grounds wa they might create a lot of problem 2024 positive problem and a bad problem ye beto abani wie no na akwakwa ense mebere nti it high time say NDC yemfa ne ade nkwa prenkense makromo